In a single night earlier this year, Ukraine launched 556 drones deep into Russian territory, penetrating what was once considered the most sophisticated air defense network on the planet. The S-400, the Pantsir, the Buk, none of it was enough. It was not a fluke. It was the result of 4 years of rapid, decentralized military innovation that has fundamentally changed the nature of this war and modern warfare itself. From desperation to dominance. When Russia launched its full-scale invasion in February 2022, Ukraine had almost no military drone industry. What it had was a large pool of engineers, software developers, and electronics manufacturers who quickly pivoted to wartime production, backed by a government willing to fund small teams and scale whatever worked. The results came fast. By 2023, Ukraine had reached industrial-scale drone production. By 2024, it was producing tens of thousands of FPV kamikaze drones per month. By March 2026, Ukraine was launching more long-range drones into Russia than Russia was launching into Ukraine, a strategic reversal that would have seemed impossible at the start of the conflict. Ukraine's drone campaign operates across 3 distinct layers, each reinforcing the others. Frontline FPV drones, costing as little as $300 each, have reshaped ground combat entirely. Piloted in real time by soldiers wearing headsets, these kamikaze drones hunt Russian vehicles, troops, and supply lines around the clock. They have effectively frozen large sections of the front, making troop concentrations and open movement extremely dangerous for Russian forces. Mid-range strike drones, operating 30 to 200 kilometers behind the front, target Russian radar installations, ammunition depots, command posts, and fuel infrastructure. Since March 2026, Ukraine has confirmed destroying 81 Russian air defense systems using this tier alone, nearly double the rate from months prior. Critically, every air defense battery destroyed opens a gap through which long-range drones can later fly uncontested. Long-range UAVs flying 500 kilometers or more into Russian territory complete the system. In May 2026 alone, Ukraine launched over 1,300 long-range drones at strategic targets inside Russia: missile factories, oil refineries, logistics hubs, and the outskirts of Moscow. These are not tactical strikes. They are a strategic campaign targeting Russia's ability to sustain the war. Why Russia cannot stop it. Russia's air defense was designed for a different era, built to intercept ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and fighter jets. Against small, slow, low-flying drones built from commercial components, it struggles on multiple fronts. The economics are ruinous. An S-400 interceptor costs between $1 million and $3 million per round. Ukraine's long-range strike drones cost $50,000 to $100,000 each. Firing a $1 million missile to destroy a fraction of the cost drone or a decoy launch to exhaust interceptors is a rate of attrition Russia cannot sustain indefinitely. Russia's electronic warfare systems, designed to jam GPS signals and disrupt drone navigation, have been partially neutralized by a Ukrainian software solution. Newer Ukrainian drones navigate using AI-assisted terrain recognition, comparing live camera footage of the ground to preloaded maps, requiring no GPS signal at all. There is nothing to jam. Global consequences. Military analysts and defense ministries worldwide are drawing the same conclusion from Ukraine's campaign. Mass, cheap, AI-guided drone warfare is now a credible strategic instrument, not a supplement to conventional military power, but a replacement for significant parts of it. NATO is reassessing how it would defend Eastern Europe. China is watching with Taiwan in mind. The United States, which has spent decades and trillions on platforms like the F-35, priced at roughly $80 million per aircraft, is reckoning with a conflict that suggests coordinated drone swarms costing a fraction of that can degrade the assets those jets were built to protect. For Russia, the problem is structural and has no quick fix. Its air defense missile stocks are being depleted faster than they can be replenished. Its defense industrial base is under direct attack. And Ukraine's drone production, deliberately decentralized across hundreds of facilities, continues to grow every month. The question military planners are now asking is not whether Ukraine's drones can reach Moscow. They already have. The question is what comes next and whether Russia can protect it.